subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone not connecting to internet, so how you can also fix it. So first you just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So another thing you can try to open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.